I didn't put a tip on it because I don't have one large enough, but we're gonna do like a border around, a thick border around the outside. And we're gonna fill it in like so. I'm gonna flip this one upside down and then we'll fill it in the. Should probably use easy. Going to surgery, guys. Okay, so now what I'm gonna do, okay, I'm gonna crumb coat it. So basically, just kind of. I'm gonna take my offset spatula and kind of just go around the sides. Make sure you scrape the excess off just so it doesn't spread around everywhere.
So if you wanted to do this, you could cut your piece of cake into two, slice it into two, and
so you could have a layer.
Yeah, so you can have a layer. And you're going to need to have a fillings. If you choose a filling, you'll have to have a layer cake to do it.
Alright, and since there are some like missing holes, I'm just going to kind of pipe more icing. So basically the first layer of buttercream that goes on your cake is going to seal in all the loose crumbs on the cake so that you don't get like clumps in your actual icing. It's so tiny. So usually after you do a crumb coat, you kind of just want to let it sit in the fridge or the freezer so that it hardens a little bit so that your colored frosting doesn't, you know, mix in with the white and turn into a different color. So that's what we're going to do. I'm going to put this in the fridge for a couple minutes and I'll teach you how to do the fondant roses. Kind of filling in all the loose holes. And again, I'm going back over to scrape the excess icing off the sides because it is just a crumb coat. There you have your crumb coated mini cake. So I'll put that in the fridge. And then when you guys are working with your fondant, you don't, guys, we're still recording here.
Come on now. Bring it back.
Alright, so you guys are going to get an assortment of these colors. I don't know, does anyone want me to use a certain color first? I heard green. I heard green. I heard green.
Red.
I heard green.
Green.
Okay, so you're getting little pieces like this. You're going to want to take ball about this size, maybe a little bigger. You're going to roll it into a ball in between your hands. You're going to make a few of them. This one is going to be more of like an oval shape because it's going to be the center of your rose. Also, if you have fake nails, I would recommend that you wear gloves because it will get in there. Okay, next color.
Green.
Blue. I heard blue.
Dang it.
Yeah.
Gotta get on your game, Alman.
You making a blue rose?
We're gonna make it a multicolored rose.
Rainbow rose.
Exactly. And they don't have to be uniform because you're gonna be like flattening them out anyways. They should just be like the same size. The same weight, I guess you'd say. Next.
Red. Yellow.
Heard red.
Yellow.
I heard red.
Red was the
What?
strong one. Yeah.
I thought you wanted red.
Yellow. Oh my, you're so slow. You're always the last one. I would do that.
I don't care.
Yellow. Yellow. Wait, yellow. We were on the next one?
Not
Are you
anymore.
paying attention?
Not anymore.
Okay. We'll just start with 2 colors each one. So, we'll start with green. So guys, what you're going to do is you're going to take your little circles, you're going to take your thumb, you're just going to kind of flatten it out and kind of make a flat circle out of it. Like so. I'm gonna grab some water. So, by using a little bit of water, it's gonna help the fondant like stick together. So I'm just rubbing it on like the outer corner, kinda. We're gonna let that stick. Then we're going to do the same on the opposite end. We're going to have that one stick. And you're just going to keep doing that with all your colors. Now you don't want too much water because it will get like super gross and mushy. The quietest I've ever heard you guys.
What?
Alright, so now is when it gets tricky, is you have to take the whole flower, or the whole line, and kind of just roll it. Make sure that every petal is kind of sticking on there. It's like a hot, watery mess right now. It's going to be multicolored, but... So there you have like the start of it, and you can kind of chop the middle part off, but we're going to redo, we're going to start again. It's going to be one strange looking roll.